Industrial metaverse to revolutionize smart factories, says Microsoft. In a recent analysis, Microsoft makes the case that the industrial metaverse will be essential to drive the manufacturing industry's transition to smart factories with an agile supply chain.
The analysis states that Web 3.0 technology will revolutionize the workforce and drive engineering.
Therefore, Microsoft points out that the industrial metaverse will help build agile, sustainable supply chains and improve their economic capacity. Collaborators are a pillar of smart factories. Currently, 63% of frontline manufacturing workers are excited about the job opportunities that technology creates. For Microsoft, AI and people will work together thanks to the metaverse, who will be able to manage everything with remote skills. Workers could improve the process of AI, assets, robotics, and automate the operation and deliver immediate value. Intel stops manufacturing Bitcoin mining chips. Intel announced that it will discontinue production of block-scale chips for high-speed mining equipment. The company will stop receiving orders for this input on October 20th of this year. According to the company, the shipments will be finalized on April 20th of next year. As we prioritize our investments in IDM 2.0, we have reached the end of life of the Intel Blockscale 1000 series ASIC as we continue to support our Blockscale customers. However, the move seems to leave the door open for potential opportunities. From the company, they let it be known that they will continue to monitor market opportunities in the cryptocurrency space. MetaMask denies massive $10 million, 5,000 ETH exploit due to system error. An indictment over a MetaMask wallet exploit points to a massive crypto wallet mining operation, alleging the disappearance of more than 5,000 ETH, $10 million at current exchange rates. MetaMask confirms the facts, but denies that the exploit has anything to do with the structure of the cryptocurrency wallet. Last April 18th, an announcement sprouted on Twitter from Taylor Monahan, founder of MyEther Wallet and CEO of MyCrypto, where he pointed to a mysterious unidentified cryptocurrency wallet draining exploit. The act would have culminated in the theft of more than $10.5 million in cryptocurrencies and non-fungible tokens, NFT. According to Monahan, the exploit would have been active since December 2022 without being discovered. First use of digital pound to be wholesale, UK official says. The Bank of England confirmed at the Global Finance Summit in London that the first application for a digital pound would be wholesale, even as the US Federal Reserve plans to launch its FedNow system in July 2023. Wholesale digital pound could use new settlement system.